Hey everyone, recently I won another giveaway from Fancy Lever 27. It was her giveaway that she was doing, I can't remember what it was called, and I happened to be one of the lucky winners. So I'm going to show you the prizes that I received. The first thing I got, well, I'm going to show you the what my prizes came in the packaging and stuff first. And it came in this thing here. And here's the back of it. It's pretty leopard print tape, I believe. And I absolutely love leopard print, by the way. So there's that. And I also received a really nice card from her, but I'm not going to read it because it's very personal. This is what it looks like. And the next thing I got is this Wash Off Waterproof, and it's by Avon, and mascara in black. I'm going to show you guys the brush. And this is what the brush looks like. The next thing I got, and more stuff, is this. It's by LA Colors Auto Eyeliner in black. Trying to get closer so you guys can see it. And it's one of those eyeliners that you push up, something like that. This is what it looks like. And I do have a swatch on my hand, so I'm going to show you guys. And it's right there. Get close to you so you guys can see it. There we go. The next thing I got is this beautiful fingernail polish from LA Colors, and it's an electric charge or something like that, and it's in this gorgeous light pink, and this is one of their new ones, by the way. I'm trying to see if my camera will pick it up here. There we go. That's what it looks like. I will show you guys the brush. And I'll also try to do a little swatch here so you guys can see. It's absolutely gorgeous. Fortunately, my webcam is probably not going to pick it up, but it's worth a shot. Like this. Very, very gorgeous. Absolutely love it. Okay, the next thing I got is, if I can grab it without knocking the lamp over, this e.l.f. Professional brush, and it's all-in-one blush, bronzer, and blending brush. And this is my first e.l.f. brush. It came in this package right here. You guys can see the packaging here. And I'm going to get it out so you guys can see it better. And it's more like a taper brush, and it's very soft. Good for contouring and blush, etc. like this. So I really love that. Can't wait to try this out. Okay. Next thing I got is this beautiful LA Colors Moisturizing Lip Gloss, and this is in, I'm trying to remember what color it's in. Can't really remember, but this is beautiful, sparkling lip gloss. And by the way, I'm on my webcam, and I'll tell you the reason why in just a second. Okay, and here's what the brush looks like of the long thing. There's that, and I'll try to do a swatch of it on the envelope thing. And it smells really, really good too. It's got like that fruity smell. I love it. Can't wait to try it. And it's very moisturizing. And it says other things on it too, but I threw the packaging thing away. This is what it looks like. Very shimmery, pretty pink. You guys are probably not going to be able to see it. If I cover out my lamp a little bit, you guys can see it a little bit better. Whoops. Stupid camera. There we go. So it's very shimmery, very pretty. I really like that a lot. Okay, the next thing I got, let's see, it's over here. This is bronzer and blush. Came in this beautiful packaging. That. I'll open it up, show you guys what it looks like. With this brush here, but I'm probably not going to use it. Looks like this. Oops. I'll open it up so you guys can get a semi-better look at it. There we go. That's very gorgeous. I cannot wait to try it out. I'm super excited. I'm just trying to see if my camera will pick it up. Unfortunately, my camera does no justice at all. Okay, next thing I got, well, some of it was extras, is this Sally Girl Sparkling Nail Polish. I'm not sure what the name of it is. I don't think it said. I don't think it says what the name of it is. But this is what it looks like. Very gorgeous. Again, my webcam is not doing any justice at all. Very gorgeous. I'm gonna do a swatch of it. So you guys can see it a little bit better. gorgeous and beautiful sparklies. You guys are probably not going to be able to see it. Hang on a minute, let me see. Oh my goodness, this is awful, I tell you. It's right there. Right there. Very sparkly. It's absolutely gorgeous. Again, my camera will not pick it up. Okay, next thing I got is this beautiful set, jewelry set. And here's what the beautiful necklace looks like. Absolutely gorgeous. I think this is what it's going to look like on. I really like it a lot. It's absolutely gorgeous. And here are the earrings. Gorgeous. Look at that. I just love them. So there's that. Next thing I got, I'm sure I'm not missing anything here. This beautiful lipstick, my first name brand lipstick. This is by Jordana. I absolutely love the packaging. And I will show you what it looks like. It's a beautiful pink color. I absolutely love it. I'll try to do a swatch for you guys. Oh, and this is in party pink. I forgot to show you guys that. I mean, perfect pink. Excuse me, not party pink. Perfect pink. There we go. And this is what it looks like. Here. Very gorgeous color. Absolutely love it. So there's that. That's pretty much it. So I just want to say thank you, Fancy Libra 27. And I love my prizes very much, and I can't wait to try everything out. For those of you that don't know Fancy Libra 27, I will leave her link in the down bar. And also, I'm going to be posting some pictures on my blog, so feel free to check it out so you can get a better look at it. But I just want to say thank you from the kindest of my heart, Fancy Libra 27, for these wonderful prizes. I love them so much, and I appreciate it so much. I can't even express how thoughtful it is to give me the opportunity to win your wonderful giveaway. Well, that's pretty much it. So don't forget to comment, thumbs up, and subscribe. So that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching, and I love you guys. Bye.